Hi Eagles! Something exciting is about to happen right on this stage. But before we begin, there's a couple of things we need to discuss.
This video will remind you how to act in the theater. Be an Azar Eagle. Always be considerate and respect property.
Books and bags remain outside of the theater. Hats are for outside only.
Food and drinks remain outside of the theater. Chew gum off campus. Walk to your seat, stay in your seat, and keep your feet on the floor. Wait quietly for the performance to begin. Appreciate and clap politely.
Enjoy the show!